morning. So, day 2. And we're at Factory Butte. And I'm hiking in. It's cold. Like about 20 degrees. Sun's coming up behind me. I'm gonna try to set up a shot or two here. Drove in last night with the van. Van's down there. You can barely see the top of it. Poking over that hill. Nobody here. Kind of a cloudless morning, so I'm not really sure what kind of shot I'm gonna get. And I wanted to do some astro last night. It just didn't happen. But that's okay. We got here super late. I was kind of super tired. But yeah, here we go. This is a bit of a walk. I'm trying to get a little closer. I'm looking for some kind of foreground element. Ahead there's some rocks that are jutting up out of the ground. I'm going to try to see if I could put those in the shot. Here comes the sun. Yeah, I'm out here solo this morning. Missy was just out here. She actually ran back to get me a battery. But look at this. The whole valley is lighting up behind me. It's gorgeous. She's up there taking some photos. So that's the butte behind me right now. And we're just clicking some shots off. But I'm really stuck on pano mode here in the desert. I just feel like pano mode works well, especially with these, these long buttes. Or these long mountain ranges. But it's, it is what it is. And that's the good thing. So I'm struggling a little bit here with composition because there's a lot of these rolling dunes in front of me, but there's really not any good foreground elements. But directly in front of me, you'll see this path of dunes, I guess, that are kind of going up to where the butte is. So that's what I'm kind of trying to do for my foreground element here. I'm just waiting for the sun to clear some of these rocks, and then we're going to try it. It is so quiet here. I don't hear anything. So that's it for Factory Butte this morning. I was kind of hoping there'd be some clouds to get some color. Really didn't get any color. Flew a lot of drone out here. And if you have a drone, this is definitely a location to come to and check it out. So we're off to the next location for the next video, which is going to be a secret spire outside of Hanksville. Check it out.